Alright guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to look at how we can make our roof on this plan that we have here. In the last video we looked at how we can make our walls on a floor plan in 3D using some simple commands such as the polysolid command, the union command, the subtract command, and the extrude command. In this video, we are mostly going to be looking at some few commands as well, such as the sweep command and the extrude command. We are also going to look at how we can use the material browser. So let's get to work. So type in viewports again. Type viewports. There. Then let's go to single. Click on OK. Zoom in. Then we're going to change to the wireframe. Here we're going to trace the top part of the floor plan on the wall. So go on polyline. Then we can start tracing the top part of the wall like that. Into there. Press on enter. After I've done that, go on offset, then type in a distance of 500. Press on enter. Let's offset this polyline that we made to there like that. Press on escape. Then let's change from where it says custom view to the back view like that. So here select this one, this line, and go on copy selection. So we're going to copy this up at a distance of 500 millimeters. Press on enter. Escape. Then click this line, then delete like that. Go on polyline. Make a line go on this side at 100. Press on enter. Up 100. Enter 100. Enter like that. Escape. Enter again for the previous command. Coming down 100. Enter this side 100. Enter down 100. Enter like that. Escape. After I've done that, go where it says arc. Then I want you to go where it says start end direction. Click on the start end direction, then there to there like that. Okay, then press on escape, then highlight everything and press on J for the join command like that. Since it's not joined, these lines are not joined, I want you to delete this line here. Go on delete, then go on polyline again, going up 100, press enter. This side 100, press on enter. Up 100, press on enter. Escape, press on escape. Select this, press on J again for join command, press on enter. Now it's joined like that, and after that go there on offset, then offset at a distance of 100, press on enter, and select this, offset it this side, press on enter, go on polyline, take this that side, escape, enter again for the previous command, then make a line from there to there, press on escape, then select this, then press on J for join, like that. After I've done that, type in sweep, press on enter, select this line, press on enter, then select the path, like that. So you have done the path like that. Then let's change to 3D modeling now. Since we are still in there, we still have options for 2D over there. So let's change to 3D. There where there is a settings part, just click there on that arrow and go to 3D modeling. Close that. After that, we can change from 2D wireframe and go to realistic like that. And there where it says back, let's change to SE isometric. Then click this part, then go on isolate, then hide object. So we have hidden our feature board. Now let's make, go there where it says realistic, then go to 2D wireframe, then select that line on offset, paste, then type in 500, press on enter. Select, then like that, this one, escape, then go where it says isometric, change to back, then select that, then go where it says copy selection, move, copy selection up to a distance of 500, like that, keep, then change again to southeast isometric. So we're going to be making a roof over here from 2D wireframe, then you can change it to realistic like that. Select this like that, then go on extrude, then press on T, press on enter, then at a taper angle of 45, press on enter, then we're just going to type in 1000 for the distance, press on enter like that. Okay, after I've done that, let's go on extrude face, click there, press on enter, going up there, press on enter like that. So still up, we still have this part, we need to take it up as well. So let's go there where it says face, then extrude face, click there, press on enter, click that point, take it up, press on enter, enter again, still have that part. Again, let's escape. Okay, I need to get rid of this part. Root face there, press on enter, click there, going up, press on enter again. So after that, then we have made our roof. Let's go on orbit. So this is how you make your roof. So let's go where it says view so that we can add some materials. Go on view, material browser, and home again. There's no filter, go on face and select these faces like that. Then go where it says Autodesk library, click on Autodesk library. Yeah, roofing, go where it says roofing. Then here there are different materials for roofing. You can just pick any. I'll go with this one. So, and it's done. So remember, you have to select all these faces where you are applying your roofing properties. Then just go there on the arrow on top, take it there on top. There, just click on the arrow, then the material will go there on top, and it's done this side. So let's close our material browser. Let's go on orbit. So we have done. So here we need to put back our feature board. So end object isolation. Then our feature board is back. Also need to delete this line over here. Highlight it and delete. So guys, this is how you make your roof in 3D modeling using AutoCAD. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good day.